Hi guys, in this video we will see how to create or add a new user to your Microsoft account in your Windows 11 system. It's very easy to create a new user account for your Microsoft account in your Windows 11 system. Open control panel in your system. Control panel. Here look for the option user account. User account, click on it. Here you will find manage another account. Click on it and here you can see add a new user in PC settings. Click on it. Windows 11 settings page will now open. Here add other user. Click on add account. A new window will open. Just a moment. Here choose how will this person sign in. Either enter email or otherwise I don't have this person sign in information. Click on it. Here click on add a user account without a Microsoft account. Click on it. Here who is going to use this PC? Create a user for this PC. Choose username and make it secure. Enter password and re-enter password and click on next. Your new user account will now created. So follow on screen instruction to complete the process. Click on next and you will successfully create a new user account for your Windows 11 system. That's all.